Bridging the gap between primary care and oncology is the focus of an upcoming virtual series by Spectrum Health. It's all taking place the week of September 21st. Today we have Dr. Paul Wright, Section Chief Surgical Oncology at Spectrum Health Cancer Center, here to discuss the event and topics that will be covered. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So first off, let's go ahead and tell everybody a little bit more about your role at Spectrum Health.
Sure. I'm the Chief of Breast Cancer for our cancer center here, but as a surgical oncologist, I take care of patients with several different types of cancer, including breast cancer, skin cancers like melanoma, and other cancers that happen within the abdomen like colon and liver cancer.
And then you have this upcoming symposium, so tell everybody a little bit more about this virtual oncology symposium and maybe a little bit more on some of the topics that will be discussed.
Sure. This is a new territory for us with the pandemic going on, and is a free virtual event that's going to be taking place through Microsoft Teams. It's going to be interactive so that people who attend will be able to learn from experts, and they'll be also able to ask questions to those experts during the presentations. Topics that are going to be covered will be cancer survivorship, so kind of life during and after cancer treatment, financial implications of treatment, the side effects that can come from things like surgery and radiation. We'll also be talking about rehabilitation, how cancer treatment affects your heart health, and other just sort of general lifestyle implications of cancer treatment.
And what time during the day do these symposiums take place?
Yeah, so it's going to happen from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. And so each day of the week, next week, September 21st through the 25th, there'll be different presentations going on during that time, and hoping to target a broad audience with that.
And people still are very busy right now, even with everything going on. So can they attend just one event, or did they have to commit to everything?
Yes, they can attend what's of most interest to them, but all events will be open to anyone who registers. But certainly you can pick and choose, of course everyone understands the busyness of life, but it will be open to everyone.
Now, have you had the symposium in the past?
Yes, we have, and it's we've kind of tackled a different topic every year, and I think a lot of the times it caters to a different audience where it's a little bit more specialized on the cancer treatment. I think the interesting thing with this year is that the applications are so wide, both for healthcare professionals and for patients, that it's kind of a unique opportunity and something that we're really excited about.
So once again, for people to register, you do encourage them to do so, correct?
Yes. In order to register, you can go to spectrumhealth.org/oncology symposium. And like I said, it's open to all medical and healthcare professionals, but also to patients and caregivers who want to learn about updates and the available resources that we have at the Spectrum Health Cancer Center. I think it's particularly interesting to me for cancer survivors or patients who are going through treatment right now, that they might find the topics that are discussed that are helpful to them and could be applicable to their journey.
That was my next question. Who are you kind of gauging that's really been interested in this, or who should be interested in this?
Yeah, so like I said, cancer survivors and patients, but also primary care physicians, advanced practice providers, nurses, pharmacists, any healthcare professional who's caring for patients. There's also an opportunity for those healthcare professionals that they can earn continuing medical education credits, which usually go to certifications and things like that. And so there's opportunity to sort of check those boxes off too, in addition to getting some more information and updates about what's going on in cancer care right now.
Thank you so much, Dr. Wright. Thanks so much for your time this morning.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. We'll have all the details at fox17morningmix.com this afternoon.